A Dutch Baby Pancake is great for any meal. Breakfast, you can top it with some berries, honey, syrup, powdered sugar. Brunch, maybe some salmon and arugula. Or supper, extremely thin sliced roast beef and a little bit of au jus, roasted red pepper, tomato, pickled onions, or whatever else you like. It's all a matter of what you put in the batter and what meal you're using it for. For breakfast or brunch, just your typical flour, eggs, milk, and extract will do. But if you're going to be using it for supper, you can add spices to the mix, such as chives, parsley, teaspoon of garlic powder, teaspoon of onion powder. Today, I'm doing a breakfasty brunch one. Throw 3 tablespoons of butter into our pan, into a 425 oven to melt while we get our batter together. The one I'm making will easily feed 2 people. You can store this in the fridge for up to 5 days or freeze it for up to 2 months. I'm using a food processor. You can also do this by hand. My wrist is kind of hurting today. 3 eggs. And we're just going to whip those on low for about a minute. Now while that's whipping, we're going to slowly add in our flour, some of our milk, the rest of our flour, then the rest of our milk. And then I'm going to add just a quick splash of almond extract. You can add vanilla, rum, banana, any flavor you like. Or none at all. Now we're going to quickly swirl the butter around the pan to get up those sides. You can also use a pastry brush to do this. Go ahead and add our batter. Then we're going to put this back in the oven for about 20 minutes. So without realizing I did it, apparently I took my microphone off, so there's no volume in this section. But here's what I did. A Dutch baby. Because I'm doing kind of a breakfasty thing, I added apples that I sauteed in butter and honey, along with some pats of butter. If you're looking for more breakfast recipes, check out this playlist. Link to the recipe is in the description, along with a link to my solo cook survival guide. Cook for one, have some fun, and waste none.